Well, look what we got here. Another pair of shoes to review. All right, let's hop into it. Wait. I forgot. I just made a Discord, guys. So if you would like to join, links are in the description below. It's basically a lifestyle. If you want to talk about sneakers, media, music, it's just a little community I made just so we can get to know each other more on a more personal level. So I'm not just on camera and we're just, talking through here. I want to get more in touch with my fan base. So stay tuned for that, guys, and enjoy this video. Let's go. Oh, don't forget these shoes. Boy, oh boy, these sneakers just don't stop coming. What's up, guys? Welcome to MGBL. You already know the game. We talk about our sneakers going on here. So I recently picked up a pair. The Air Jordan 3 Fears. It was a re-release that just came out, I think, 6 months ago, back in November 25th, 2023. So let's get into it. Now, these were originally part of the Fear pack that was released in 2013. So they were basically a dual pack. The 4s came out and the 3s. But good news for us, the Retro 4 Fears are coming out November this year. So we're going to get the whole pack. And I think there's 5s looming around there, but we're not worried about the 5s right now because there is no apparent release date. So let's get into this unboxing. So as you guys can know, I got this from eBay, as usual. Authenticity guaranteed. That's the box. So let's get it in this big boy. Okay, let's go. All right, let's toss that to the side. Okay, here's the box. Orange Jumpman. You know, every time I see orange and black, I think of Halloween. So that's the Jumpman. Over here will be your sizing. These are size 11. You guys will know that's my size. That's the barcode. And all around, it's like a shadowy cement type of box. It's actually pretty cool, I'm not gonna lie. So let's get into an unboxing of the shoes. So as you can see, here, unwrap these with me together. So I got the guy's information here. He sent it to me, but we don't need that right now. Okay, look at those boys. Look at that. Fear 3s. Again, I got them for a steal. Listen, buddy, under $200 I got these for. They retail for $270 Canadian. And you know MGBL, I'm always finding deals on these guys. So let's get them out of the box and take a deeper look into it. So if you guys can see, every time you get an authenticity check with eBay, you get one of these nice little blue cards verifying it's authentic. So always look out for that. And if you don't get one, then question it. So now into the main event that we all been waiting for. Cha-cha, here we go. Air Jordan Fear 3s. Check these boys out. Pretty cool, eh? I actually like these. Like they got a nice materials on them. I'm already feeling them right now in hand. All right, so here's a 360 back view, front view. You got your eBay tag over there. So let's dive into the shoe. All right, so this has an interesting choice of material. So you got your typical air bubble there. You guys all know. This is like the cement print, right? The dark cement. This looks really dope. And then up here, you got a nice nubuck smooth type of suede all around the shoe. And it goes into the toe box and then to the lateral side of the shoe right here. And then you got orange eyelets going all the way up to here. You got your orange Jumpman. And obviously you got your laces. Here's the insole, if you guys can see it. The outsole is comprised of orange hits. You got a gray outsole as well. And I really like these. I really do. The thing that gets me about these shoes is this. You know, if you can see that spackle look, it looks really good. It's changing colors in the sun over here when I go outside. So it kind of looks good. Like I said, these are really underrated. I don't know why people are sleeping on these. These are going to go up. The last retro was literally 10 years ago. 10 years ago, guys. Well, 11 years now because they're in 2024. But 10 years ago. Look, I slipped these on feet and my goodness, they are like so flipping comfortable. Like, I can't understand what they use, but this material they use is really good. It's really flexible, stretchy, and you know, I don't even have to lace them up. They're just so comfortable. I slap them on and I just walk out the door with them. I got a couple fits for them and stuff. So, you know, it's a really, really good shoe. I don't know if guys at your retailer, I'm based in Canada, so I went to Foot Locker, Champs. They don't have my size, so obviously I had to go to eBay, and I got them for like literally $200, man. 200 Canadian. So that's probably like 140, 150 US. I'm telling you guys, if you guys want Jordans for a very good price, even if the guy wore them once, listen to me, cop them. You will not regret them. Like, honestly, I do not regret buying these. These are definitely going to be part of the rotation for a while. Like, oh my God, they're so nice. Like, there's nothing really, they're just a nice pair of threes. You know, and I love the orange accents. Like, it really gives them a Fear type of vibe, you know? That's actually a cool name, Fear. Like Air Jordan 3 Fear, Air Jordan 4 Retro Fear. It's pretty cool, man. You got some cool names. Man, honestly, really nice sneakers. Like I said, guys, don't sleep on them, boys. If you can find these joints, pick them up. You will not regret them. Now, if you're saving up for a certain pair of shoes, because this year has a lot of sneaker releases, you got the Air Jordan 3 Cements, you got Black Cat 5s coming out. Yeah, I just researched that. I'm like, whoa. And then you got another pair of 4s coming out. The military blues are coming out around this time too. So honestly, it's just like, my goodness, you know, I'm just a lot of shoes I got to organize. I'm just overwhelmed right now. But I really like these pairs of shoes. I just found these on the internet. I'm like, they're dope, cool. I really don't have a story to tell you about them. I just got them. But I can guarantee you they're really comfortable and you will not regret it. And I hope to make some memories this year wearing them, right? You know, each shoe you wear has a memory, you know, as I stated in my Toro Bravo video for my Air Jordan 4s. Every shoe has its own meaning to you. I just found these, bought them, and wear them. You know, there's nothing really significant to me other than they're a really clean pair of shoes and they can make any fit kind of pop, right? Orange, black, white, whatever you guys want to wear. It's all up to you. So, go. But yeah, man, don't sleep on these boys. There's some still on sale. I think it's like 7, 8, 9. Go check your retailers, whether you're in the States, Europe, or anywhere. I'm sure you'll find these bad boys. But anyways, guys, once again, I thank you so much for being part of this ever-growing family. You know, I'm really grateful I can share my passion with YouTube and we all can get along and share kind of things. But I want to know, what kind of sneakers do you like? What makes you drawn to them? What kind of sneaker are you waiting for this year, you know? Go join that Discord down in my description box down. Come holla at me and be like, yo, what's up, MGBL? Let's talk. You know, I got some fits, music, media, but a little group I got going on there. But if you want to see more of me, let's go. I'm looking forward to meeting you guys there personally. I want to develop a connection with you, you know? But anyways, guys, I will take my leave. Have a great day and don't fear getting these. You will not regret it. Peace.